How can one become so bounded by choices that somebody else makes? How come we both become a version of a person we don't even like?